The Grand Princess cruise ship docked in California today, and at least 21 people on board are infected with the coronavirus. One of them is a Bloomington couple, and Treasure Roberts spoke with the couple and joins me now with what they've experienced this past week. Treasure.
Minaj, Barbara May of Bloomington tells me she never expected to be in a situation like this, saying on March 4th, everything changed. More than 20 people on board tested positive for the coronavirus. The Mays, along with thousands of other passengers, were on a cruise from San Francisco to Hawaii. Fortunately, Barbara and her husband, Jason May, are healthy. But after officials confirmed some passengers were infected, the couple was forced to stay in this room. Barbara says the Grand Princess crew has done an outstanding job of keeping them informed and comfortable during the process. While they docked at port today, Canadian passengers were let off. Right now, Barbara and her husband are just waiting until they're allowed to disembark. Minaj.